Across Africa, as many as 1 in 5 children on wards like this will be suffering from severe anemia. Most will go on to have an emergency blood transfusion. But what few people realize is that there is no solid evidence to back up this treatment. Professor Catherine Maitland explained the problem.
Actually, the most basic treatments that we give, fluid, blood transfusions, oxygen, none of those, even worldwide, have been subjected to trials in the emergency rooms. We're asking a very simple question: which children need transfusion?
Blood transfusions save lives, and it's easy to see why parents and doctors are keen for them to go ahead. But giving children transfusions when they don't need one also has risks. Blood supplies across Africa are low, so giving blood to children who don't need it could mean that there's none left for those who do. There are also problems with the supply chain of blood products, meaning it could be too old, mislabeled, or even infected with disease. The World Health Organization has guidelines to help doctors work out who should have blood, but these are not based on clinical research and are often hard to follow.
The World Health Organization guidelines require you to have the necessary clinical skills supported by the adequate laboratory investigations. In most cases, the doctor is very highly skilled, but he doesn't have laboratory backup. So in that situation, he has to depend on his clinical skills to make a decision for a blood transfusion. So in that case, there is potential for a lot of error.
Omiya Paul's son is losing blood through his urine and has had 15 transfusions. He believes receiving blood is the best treatment for his son, whilst doctors work out the cause.
I think it's good for my child to be given blood transfusions because I want him to stay alive. There's no other treatment.
Now, this hospital is taking part in a world-first clinical trial to discover which children really will benefit from transfusion. As well as blood, they're giving patients a course of antibiotics and multivitamins to see if it helps stop the severe anemia from coming back.
If you are able to treat a child once and does not have retransfusions, then you are better off because you have reduced the risk of potential transfusion-transmitted infections.
The trial is currently being carried out at 3 hospitals in Uganda and 1 in Malawi. But the results won't just benefit Africa. No one currently has solid facts about the way transfusions are given. So the researchers hope that this study will influence emergency care around the world. Catherine Byaruhanga, BBC World News, in Mbale.